Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's set, we're going to be using my Almond Short soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. But all I'm doing is going in and making sure that they fit my nail beds wall to wall. Soft gel full nail covers are perfect for you if you have problems shaping like I do, or if you're just looking for an easy and fast solution to doing nails. These just make the whole process of applying nails and doing nails super fast and super easy. So I definitely recommend giving them a try if you've never tried them out before. So for today, we're going to be using Polygel, and for my slip solution, I'm going in with some 70% alcohol Dap dish that I purchased from TJ Maxx. And it's supposed to be like a candle holder, candle volatile, you know what they call them. I don't know what they're called, but I use it as a dapping dish. So for my polygel, I'm using my all-time favorite shade. This is Light Apricot by Model Ones. And I'm going in with a polygel brush by MAKARRT and just applying my polygel. I'm doing the same method that I do in every single video, just making sure that the cuticle area is thinner than the rest of the nails. And I'm doing this on every single nail. This nail set that I'm doing today was actually supposed to be one of my holiday nail designs, so I'm kind of late on that, so just throwing that out there. I used some like reindeers in this video, so if you're confused as to why there are reindeers on my nails in January, it's because this was supposed to be uploaded in December. But yeah, I'm just doing the same method I always do, so I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me apply these full nail covers. So as you can see, I did multiple nails at once, and then I cured 4 of them, and then I always go in and do my thumbs separately. Just because your thumb needs special attention, you can't just go in with your whole hand and cure just the thumb, because it'll only cure on that side. You kind of want to just make sure that you're just curing your thumbs separately. Alright, so after you finish applying, I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and just wipe down my nails before I begin filing. So I didn't show me filing, but I just go in with a nail file and just straighten everything up. Make sure everything is nice and perfect and seamless. I use 80/80 grit nail files off of Amazon. But now I'm going in with my French tip color. We're using this reflective glitter gel polish that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll be sure to have the link down below. I love these gel polishes. I should have took some pictures with the flash on because they're very beautiful, but we're going in with this red shade, and my resin nail art palette and liner brush are both from Shein, but you can easily purchase these anywhere. But yeah, all I'm doing is going in with that gel polish and doing my French design. It really just takes time when you're doing your French tips. Like when I first started doing French and hand painting them, it would take me like forever. But the more you practice, you get better and quicker and faster. So just take your time. If it takes you a long time to do French, you'll get the hang of it, I promise. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me do this French design. And there's so many different ways you can do French. You don't have to do line art. I just tend to do line art with the brush because I just always feel that it comes out more snatched. But there are so many different methods where you can do French nails besides just like hand drawing it. This is just the way that I prefer to do it. Alright, so doing my thumbs separately again, and after that thumb is finished, I'm going in with some OPI top coat. I'm quickly learning that I'm not a fan of this OPI top coat, so don't get it. I don't know, something about the top coat, like when you put it on, is super shiny, and when you cure, super shiny. After you wipe it down, it kind of becomes dull, and then it gets dull pretty fast, like within like a day or two. So I don't know, I don't really recommend using this gel polish or this top coat. Maybe OPI has a different type of top coat, but this also is not one of their no wipe ones. Oh, and I always forget to mention, I always go in on the sides. As you can saw me, I was kind of like swiping the sides of my nails. And it's just a hack that I learned. When you cure your nails after you top coat, it just helps your nails not be as bulky from too much polish on the sides of your nails. So you want to make sure you do that if you're applying your top coat or just any gel polish you're applying to your nails. And yeah, as I said, this was actually supposed to be a set for Christmas time, but I went in with my solid nail tip glue gel. You can use this to apply your nail tips as well as apply rhinestone like I'm going to do here. But I'm just going in with this rhinestone reindeer that I purchased off of Shein and applying this to my thumbs. I guess now, since it's not Christmas, you could apply different bling, but I just went in and scooped it out with that reindeer and just pressed it on and cured. It takes about 30 seconds to cure. Alrighty, so the last and final step is cuticle oil, and today I'm going in with the scent lavender. And I say in every video, it does not matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, your nails are not going to be cute. So you want to make sure you invest in an ultra hydrating, really good quality cuticle oil, and these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop as well. I'll be sure to have the link down below. And here are the final designs. Super cute, super easy, simple nail design. I have to admit, these weren't my favorite. Like, you know, I wasn't like so in love with these nails, but these were cute. These were fun. Cute and fun for the holidays. So if you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.